my senior photos for graduating from college. Sad. Me and my friend are gonna take photos with my camera, so I'm just gonna like take you guys through my getting ready with me process and maybe film a few clips, and I'll insert the photos that we end up taking. So first I'm going to use this concealer, which is CoverGirl. So I don't know, I guess we'll just like kind of talk about my college experience. I go to Cal Poly SLO, which is in California. I am a construction management major, which I don't know, a lot of people probably don't know what that is. I honestly didn't even know what it was for like the first 2 years of majoring in it. But it's kind of like exactly what it sounds like. I'm basically just like learning how to manage construction. Obviously it's a really male dominated field, but I have absolutely loved Cal Poly. Basically this could be like an ad for Cal Poly because I just think they're the best school ever, and I'm so sad that college is coming to an end. If you guys watched my last video, I'm walking, but I'm gonna take an extra quarter to graduate, so I will still be here, but I'm super sad about all my like best friends are gonna be gone, and so I kind of feel like that like college is ending for me, even though school is still gonna go on. That's like me and my college experience. And then yesterday I got this Maybelline Fit cosmetic stuff. I wore this yesterday. I bought it because I had to take like senior photos at school for my major. And I needed makeup because my face was literally getting a rash from my other makeup. So that was really fun. I have the Naked palette, the first one, and I've never been good at eyeshadow, and yesterday I followed this girl's tutorial. If you look it up, it's Golden Eyes with the Naked palette. I tried it and I really liked it, so I'm probably gonna do that again. I'm taking my photos in this like Urban Outfitters dress. So yeah, I'll show you guys that dress, which I really like. It's kind of different. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow next. I'm gonna do it all with my Naked palette. I will just like kind of walk you guys through it, even though I'm basically just doing the tutorial that I told you guys what she did. I can link that one in the description. I'm gonna go in with the shade Naked and put it above my crease as the transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this gold shade that is Half Baked, and put this on like the lower portion of my eye, like my eyelid. If you guys have been following my channel, I recently changed it from like one of my really good friends. Our channel was C&E, and I recently changed it to eeericazzz, which is my name. I really want to grow this channel, and honestly me graduating college has really like pushed me to want to do this more. I've just been like really stressed about graduating and like the next steps in life, and YouTube is something that is fun. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep posting these. I obviously want to make stuff that like people want to watch, but I just want to say that like I appreciate anyone who does watch this, because it definitely like encourages me and makes me feel less stupid for making these videos. It's nice to have this in this like transition period in my life. So well, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Then I'm going in with the shade Toasted, and this is going on like the outer corner. So I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I like butterscotch, and I'm gonna highlight, and then I'm gonna go in with a bronzer. I have this Too Faced bronzer that, you know, I don't know why I'm pretending to be a beauty guru. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just like repeating things I hear on the internet. So, like, if you've come here to watch how to do makeup, like, click off. Not that I'm trying to get anyone to stop watching my YouTube videos. Believe me, I'm desperate for people to watch them. But this is not a place to come for beauty advice. Here I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. This is CoverGirl. I have literally been using this eyeliner since high school. I really like it. With this like angled brush, I'm gonna go in with my Naked palette again. And I like doing top eyeliner with that. I think it's like way less harsh. It's also much easier to get it on in a straight line. I have this Benefit Roller Lash. I really like this. So I'm gonna put some of that on. Crusty lips ain't cute, that's for damn sure. Alright, so I'm gonna wand my hair College is the best time of your life. Well, I know it's not the best time of everyone's life, and college is really difficult at some points. For me, it was the best experience, and it was a super growing period. And I went to Catholic elementary school, so we were with the same 60 kids from 1st grade to 8th grade. And then I went to an all-girls Catholic high school. I hated high school. Like, during the time, I didn't like hate school back then, but once I came to college, I go to a pretty big public college in California. I've been exposed to so many different things that like I just did not get exposed to by going to like these small private schools. Not that there's anything wrong with doing that. It just was not, I don't think it was like the best for me and for me to like grow as a person. I finally like felt comfortable to like grow into the person that I wanted to be, and also like going from an all-girls high school and then going into a major construction management that is dominantly men was really, really scary at first and intimidating. When I started college, I literally hadn't hung out with boys since like 8th grade. I was scared. Like, boys in 8th grade are not nice. You come to college and everyone is nice and accepting. For once in college, I finally felt like I can be myself, and that is like such a great feeling. I hope that other people have an amazing college experience if you're like in college or you're in high school and you're going, or just whatever stage you're at in life. I hope that other people are able to experience that feeling of being comfortable being yourself and feeling like most of the world is good and that people are nice, and that's kind of what I felt. And I'm really, really scared to leave college. I don't want to, and I hope everyone finds that. I'm like really sentimental that college is ending, and that's probably why I'm rambling like this. Yeah, this is basically a senior picture get ready with me featuring emotional female. And oh my god, my camera's gonna die and we have to take pictures on this camera. Alright. Thanks for listening. Bye guys.
If you're not liking and subscribing, then get the f off this channel.